everyone, this is Crafty Decoria. I hope you're all doing great. Today I have a quick Dollar Tree haul to share with all of you. There are some regular things, seasonal things, and I stopped in Dollar Tree the other day and picked a few things up. I have to be making a few gifts for a couple of people, and I needed some supplies. So as usual, Dollar Tree is my craft store that I like to go to for those supplies, and I thought I'd share this Dollar Tree with all of you. As usual, I'll go through all of the items one by one so that you can have a better look. I hope you enjoy. So this weekend we are celebrating my niece's sweet 16, so I picked up a card for her. It says, "For your sweet 16," and I love the flowers and the colors, so I got that for her. I also picked up a couple of numbers. These are the 14-inch air-filled balloon, so you inflate these with a straw that they have enclosed inside, so I picked up the 1 and the 6. Then I came across these paper lanterns in the party section, and I had not seen these before. They show like they're more darker colors on the front, like the Christmassy colors, but they're actually much lighter than what the package shows. I kind of wish they did have the colors on the front, but I thought these are still really pretty. These would be great for a spring party or summer party, or if you wanted to get a few different packages and then collect the one color and use them. But I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do with these yet, but I think I'm going to turn them into something really cute. So we'll see what I do with them. But I did pick up 2 packs, and you get 3 lanterns inside. So a pink, a white, and a bluish green. The only other non-seasonal item I picked up are these 2, what they call Tabletop Display. And they're really nice. They're made out of like MDF, and they have these 3 little round wooden balls on the bottom. So I was going to make a gift for someone for fall, so I thought I could use these for that. So this is the one pattern that I picked up, and the other pattern. And I have picked these up before, but I saw them and thought about doing something for a friend. So hopefully these work out great. Next are all fall and Halloween related. So I'm going to be making a couple of wreaths, and I thought I'd pick up these birds to make them blackbirds. So I'm quite excited about doing this wreath. I hope it turns out great. Now, I have been asked in the comments section when I'm going to be back to DIYing, and it has been so long, and I really don't even want to say a time frame anymore because I've just been having a lot of things going on, a lot with the house, some with the kids, and some with my own health. And it's been hard for me to get to crafting again. I think because I've been out of it for a while now, it just really feels hard to get back in. I tried to set up a few spaces for myself, but I really haven't been able to use those spaces the way I wanted to. So hopefully there could be coming a new space for me in the near future, and if that happens, then I definitely will be back to crafting. If I am making some of these gifts and I turn the camera on and share them with you, I will be glad to do that as well. They'll more just be like craft with me, things that I'm making for friends and family, and I can share them with all of you. So I thought I'd just go ahead and say that because I have been asked, and that's very kind of you. All your wonderful comments, how you miss my crafting, and that really means a lot to me. So hopefully I will be back as soon as possible. So I also picked up a couple of packs. Now I did get a few packs of each, but I figured I'd just go and show you the one. These are a 50 count maple leaf, and they have some that are plain, some that have glitter on them. So this I'm going to use for a wreath. And then I went ahead and picked up this 20 count felt leaves, and I thought I could incorporate these as well just to have a bit of a different texture. I picked up a couple of these spider webbing. I seen a really neat wreath on Pinterest that I wanted to try out, and these should work pretty good. You get the webbing and then you get 4 spiders in there as well. So 2 packs of those. And then I picked up these pumpkin clips, and these are my favorite. I don't always see them, and when I do see them, they tend to go fairly quick. I like these because they're great for outdoor wreaths since they are plastic and they have the clip on the back. So it doesn't have to be anything permanent if you want to just add these to a wreath that you already have. So I picked up a bunch of the white ones with the speckle on them, and then the orange with the speckle. So I was really glad to come across those again. And then I picked up 4 signs. So the first one here says Hello Autumn. And I have some wreaths that I keep by my fireplace, and a lot of times I'll just put this in behind the wreath so you see it through the opening on the inside. And that's just a way, because those wreaths I do keep up all year round, so I either like to put bows that work seasonally or do something like this. So I'm not really adding anything permanent to the wreath, but yet I can use them all year round so that I don't have to worry about storing them. And then the second round one that I got says Live Simply and Be Grateful. Then I picked up this mason jar, which this I'm going to be making a little craft with it, and it says Always Be Thankful. And then this one that I love, it says Family, and family is in the copper, gold, and brown specks or glitter. And then it says Where Life Begins and Love Never Ends. And I love this one. This one is so pretty. And then I forgot, I have 2 craft fabrics that I picked up that I thought were really pretty. I like this pattern here for the fall. So I picked up one of those, and then I picked up this one here, which is really cute. Actually, let me open this one up because you can't really see it well. This one I love. It has the barn and then an orange old truck with some pumpkins on the back, a tent, a little cabin. It says Hello Fall with leaves and trees. This one I really love, and I almost wish that I picked up some more of these. These are really cute. So definitely my favorite one. And the last item that I have to share with you is a winter Christmas item. And Christmas or winter has arrived at my Dollar Tree, but the day that I went in there, shelves were empty and boxes were on the shelves. So nothing was open. The only thing that I saw open and on the shelf were these Christmas trees, and they are the Bristle brush trees, and they are my favorite tree from Dollar Tree. I also like the fabric trees that they have that are in the plaid buffalo check. Those ones I really like as well, but I like these ones because it has the little bit of white on the green, and then it has the little wooden round stand, which I think is so cute and really elevates just a regular bristle brush tree. So I did pick up 6 of those. I probably will end up getting some more. These are great for decorating a wreath or on a mantle, in a village. Really, you can use them in so many different spaces, and I just love them. So that is my first winter Christmas decor of this year, and hopefully I will be seeing a lot more at my Dollar Tree. Well guys, that will do it for this Dollar Tree haul. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Share the video if you can. It will greatly help my channel. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd absolutely love and appreciate it if you did. As always, you guys take care of yourselves, and I hope to catch you in the next video. Bye for now.